In fact, President Cyril Ramaphosa on a walkabout yesterday saying, when he was asked a question about the health minister and the digital vibes contract, that he had several other issues he needed to consider before making a decision. But a cabinet reshuffle, we're told, is on the cards. President Ramaphosa admitting that he is considering a reconfiguration of his executive. His statement comes amid several vacancies in his cabinet and, of course, criticism of security cluster ministers over the handling of the civil unrest in the country this month. Newzroom Africa's Pelane Phakgadi has more.
On Thursday morning, President Cyril Ramaphosa made a visit to a public health facility in Tembisa on the East Rand. He also made a turn at a private-public partnership center in Midrand. This is in recognition of the collaboration between the government and the private sector. The president says South Africans should not worry about the shortage of vaccines. He's adamant that the country now has plenty in vaccine stock.
We now have a situation where vaccine shortage is no longer going to be our problem, because we've got the vaccines that we have ordered coming through, and obviously the 31 million does not come all in one day. So sometimes there will be, a bit of a stop for a day or so, but it's no longer the drought of vaccines. We now have a good supply of vaccines. Today or day after, we are going to receive 5.7 million that have been donated by the government of the United States.
There are other matters of national importance, like when will the president reshuffle his cabinet?
The issue of reconfiguring a cabinet is an ongoing consideration by any president. You look at how you deploy the people who you are working with and how you place those people to execute various tasks. So it is an ongoing process of evaluation and all that. So it's not something that we would say it's a process that is outlandish. We continue to look at it.
The acting health minister Mamoloko Kubai says work is underway to ensure that the fourth COVID-19 wave set to hit in December, according to health experts, is avoided.
The target for us is really to say, can we get many people herd immunity before the fourth wave? And as you know, the anticipated is December, the scientists are giving us. If we can reach that, that will be great. We are definitely ramping up. As I said, the 1st of August, we'll see mass vaccination site in populated areas.
South Africa has so far vaccinated about 7 million people, 3 million of which are deemed fully vaccinated after receiving all the required doses. In percentage terms, the country has inoculated 5% of its citizenry, with a target of 67% to reach herd immunity. For Newzroom Africa, Channel 405, I'm Phakgadi in Tembisa.